Alright, now let Chico. They go. That shit, they ain't talking about. I'm gonna get involved for real. That's what we'll do. L4L shit. I'm on the campus, I always call it campus, feel. Shit. We don't even talk about that time you were missing me. Ain't gonna even talk about that time you be texting me. I don't even know, and don't be lying, don't be fit for me. Don't be lying, ain't fit for me. Tell my time I did my crime. If I did that time, you ain't know I did it. But it's still with it. Long little Chico, I'm in my blue mode right now. Oh, I don't even know the time when he tell them folks. Tell them folks I want it all, I want a bottle though. I shoot you in your face or what you talking for. But she testing my phone, that's so fucking rude. I ain't even gonna get in there, ain't even cool. I ain't like them other dudes, I want Jimmy too. And I got my tool tuck under my tummy food. And a nigga might be something you never knew. Nigga read about me, read about your revenue. Bro just taught me thug to know I never fold. And you already know and I ain't never told. We ready step on fold. If I'm going down that road, I might just need a coat. Then I'm smoking on sauce, I'm like some indigo. Don't even know which one to pick, so like some minimal. It's like some any mini mini mo. Catch a tiger by his toe, rip him into pieces though. Stack your ass up in the road, put them for some quote unquote. I ain't need to the clock, but you know I'm on 10 and 0. Plus you know I'm trying to go, and you know I'm next to blow. Man, I miss my uncle Betty Bo. Mad I want some more. Banner with that coat, playing with me approach, stabbing at them folks. Drip on me of course, you wanna ride up in the porch, sipping